Good morning. This video is for Baylor, Louisiana, and UTSA. So if you are in one of those three groups, then this video is for you. This is your lesson for Tuesday. We're doing lesson 2 today. Let's go ahead and look at our worksheet for lesson 2. Starting here in part 1, you'll say the sounds for these letters. Let's go over the sounds together. This sound is L. What sound? Yes, L. This sound is S. What sound? Yes, S. This sound is M. What sound? Yes, M. This sound is F. What sound? Yes, F. This sound is N. What sound? Yes, N. Let's look at part 2. In part 2, you'll say the sounds. All of these sounds are quick sounds. Let's say the sounds. This sound is P. What sound? Yes, P. This sound is D. What sound? Yes, D. This sound is K. What sound? Yes, K. This sound is J. What sound? Yes, J. This sound is T. What sound? Yes, T. In part 3, you'll read the words. I'll read the words for you, and then you can read them to someone at home. Read them to mom or dad or big brother, big sister. These words are cap, lack, trick, clip, slack. Let's look at the words in part 4. In part 4, you will read all of these words. Find somebody to read them to. Read them to your mom, read them to your dad, read them to your big brother, read them to your big sister. Make sure you have someone listen to you read the words. In part 5, you will read the sentences. Again, make sure you read these to somebody so that they can listen to you read. Let's go to the next page. On this page, in the first section, you will read these sentences. Make sure you read them to someone at home. In part 2, we will say the sounds. I will say the sounds. Starting here, this sound is ah. What sound? Yes, ah. This sound is mm. What sound? Yes, mm. This sound is s. What sound? Yes, s. This sound is d. What sound? Yes, D. This sound is eh. What sound? Yes, eh. This sound is P. What sound? Yes, P. This sound is L. What sound? Yes, L. This sound is N. What sound? Yes, N. This sound is F. What sound? Yes, F. This sound is T. What sound? Yes, T. In part 3, you will match the words. I will read the words in the first column. These words are pit, meat, clam, math. You're going to draw the lines to the words in the second column. Make sure you find the right word and draw the line from the first column to the second column. In part 4, you will match the words and complete them. I will read the words in the first column. Feed, than, pack, clip. Now you have to draw the lines from the first column to the second column. All of the words in the second column are missing some letters, so you have to fill in the missing letters to make the word. In part 5, you will circle the sound and you will circle the word. In this first line, we're circling the sound V. What sound? Yes, V. And there are 5. There are 5 in this line, so make sure you find all 5. In the second line, you are circling the word math. What word? Yes, math. And there are 3. Make sure that you find all 3. In part 6, you will copy the sentence. I will read the sentence. The sentence says, clip that plant and keep it. You're going to copy the sentence on this line right here. Make sure you use your best handwriting. On this page in part 1, you will match the words. I will read the words in this first column. These words are lamp, feeds, sleep, stick, and clap. You're going to draw the lines to the same word in the second column. Make sure you draw the lines to the correct word. In part 2, we're going to be circling the sounds and then the words. Make sure we look at the first circle to see what we're looking for, and we look at the last circle to see how many there are. In this first line, we are circling the sound eh. What sound? Yes, eh. And there are 7. Make sure you find all 7. In this line, you're going to circle the word sit. What word? Yes, sit. And there are 4 of them. Make sure you find all 4. In this line, you are circling the word this. What word? Yes, this. And there are 3 of them. Make sure that you find all 3. In part 3, you are going to copy the sentences. I will read these sentences. Dad can see the cats sleep. Plant this seed in the sand. Did that tack stick the cat? This ant sits in a backpack. Copy all of those sentences and make sure that you do your best handwriting. And that is the final page for lesson 2. Those are all the pages you need to do for lesson 2. Make sure you follow all the directions, you use your best handwriting, do all your best work, and I will see you in tomorrow's video for the next lesson.